Welcome to BTMsoft. In this tutorial, we will show you how to manage email templates. Click Settings, Email Templates. Select the category of emails you wish to edit. Categories are managed by us. You can have more than one template in a category. Click New to add a template. Now, if you are distributing multiple emails at once, for example, all payslips or all account statements, then the default template will be used. You can choose your template only when you're sending single emails. Click on Row to edit the existing template. Assigning descriptive names to your templates helps ensure you choose the right one. Enter the email subject. If your email has an attachment, you can set up its name here. Mark the item as default if you wish. This is the email body. You can insert tags that will be replaced with real values during the sending of the email. Your footer will be added on the bottom of the email. Now just click Save and you're done.